Do you use standard 1,000-liter IBCs? Do you work with chemicals, oils, paint and ink, foodstuff, waste residues, or cosmetics? What if we told you we can save you money, time and manpower on an IBC washing solution? This is the Rotajet RJ-ICS IBC washer from Rotajet Systems, available either as a standalone or wall-mounted unit. This is the ideal in-house solution for smaller operations, unique for its low OPEX costs, small footprint and minimal water usage, whilst delivering a fast and precise cleaning standard. Thanks to the high-pressure method, the ICS has significantly less water usage than its low-pressure alternatives, and as a result, lower OPEX costs. So, how does the ICS achieve a high-quality clean? Fitted with a unique high-pressure spray nozzle that rotates 360 degrees throughout the wash cycle. The high-level impingement of the high-pressure spray allows effective removal of almost any contaminant present within the IBC, while the rotation ensures every internal surface is reached. Less wash water is needed with this style of spray nozzle. And the high pressure also means other washing aids such as temperature, cycle time, and cleaning chemicals are significantly reduced while still achieving the high level of cleaning quality. The washing nozzle is easy to access and use. Attached to a retractable pull-down lance, operators lower the nozzle into the IBC, secure the screw lid and clip-on safety clips. Once set, the cycle is ready to start. The RJ-ICS will arrive pre-boxed on a standard pallet. This compact method saves costs in shipping and delivery. Due to the compact design of this machine, the IBC cleaning station can be shipped to almost anywhere in the world in a way that is both simple and cost-effective. Requiring only a power source and water supply, this machine has been uniquely designed to be as easy as possible to install. No specialist tools or knowledge is needed, so this machine can be installed within just an hour. To inquire, get in touch via email at info@rotajet.co.uk or search Rotajet ICS. Rotajet, the better way to wash IBCs.